How to change default apps on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change default apps on your Android device. Let's begin. Start by going on to your settings menu. From settings, scroll down and find apps. Now on your app section, you should find the option to choose default apps. You can choose what you want to change, whether it's your browser, phone, SMS, or email. Just tap on choose default apps. Now let's say if I want to change my default SMS app, I can tap on SMS app and I want to change it to the Google Messages. Tap on it. Now you've successfully changed your default app on Android. Do the same thing for other apps as well. You can do your wallet app, your Google digital assistant app, and more. Let me just quickly head back here. Let's say if I want to change my browser, tap on it. I want to choose Brave as my default browser. You should be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.